War day number 903. 903 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today. Today, boys and girls, we have one binary puzzle left, a regular puzzle. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, August the 14th, 2024. We have two regular puzzles already solved, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. It's time now for the binary puzzle. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with this third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle number 9090. 9090, yes, 9090. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Well, double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O. And now I'm stuck. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Let me think. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the 5th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in the second row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be an O. Alright, double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Alright. Let me think. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in the first column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1 then. Okay. Then, let me think. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 3 O's, okay. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Well. Now I'm stuck. Now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we have here 5 ones. Overlooked. That means that those 2 boxes should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no, between two O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to compare now because we are stuck now. Okay. Question is, do we need to compare the columns or the rows? Let me see first here the double O here. Here we have a double O. Here we have also a double O. 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, not the same. How about here? 1. Yeah. No, not the same. So this one I cannot compare. How about here? Double 1. We have a double 1 here. Double O. 1. Okay. No, not the same. Here then. Oh, 1. Yes. Yeah. Well, this row and that row, I believe. Yeah. Let me compare. Okay. O, 1, 1, O, empty box. 1, 1, O, 1, 1, 1, 1, O, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Between the 1's comes an O. Between the O's comes a 1. Finish. 7 minutes. Well, we solved it again, and I like this one with one time comparing. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.